Alright, what's going on, you guys? How's everybody doing? Can everybody hear me alright? See, we got a lot of people in the chat. We got 31 people in here already? What on earth? I didn't really expect anybody to be here today. That's crazy. What's going on? Let's see. Scolius, Sudko, welcome. Unknown Scripts, Top Sounds, Chunkberries. Hector, welcome. Robloxer, Yuta, Vextery, welcome everybody. What's the game? We'll say that in just a few minutes. We will let you know in just a few minutes. Can you buy my game? Depends on the game. Send me a DM on Discord and I'll take a look at it. Yo, what's going on, guys? Big fan, thank you so much. Appreciate that. Alright, I'm gonna go and turn the screen on real quick so you guys can see the game. It's a huge game already, trust me. Look at the game, you guys. Look at this game. That's insane. Isn't that crazy? I'm just waiting for a reaction. Everybody's just speechless. It's just so good. Yo, that's fire. W game. Oh, nice game. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and introduce my builder. I think you guys can hear him. EBG, you wanna say hi to the chat real quick? Just make sure they can hear you.
Yep. What up, guys?
What's up? What's up? Can you guys hear EBG all right? Is he too loud? Too quiet? Let me know. Let me know.
Yeah, if I need to turn up my volume, let me know.
This game is actually crazy. I know, right? W in the chat for the game. Way too loud? A bit quiet. What? It's a bit quiet and way too loud. Okay, they're saying turn him down a lot.
Okay, I'll do that real quick.
It's 11 p.m. for you? That's crazy. Perfect? Oh, somebody else said it's perfect.
Okay, so we're getting really big mixed reactions right now.
Oh, okay. Scolius was just messing with me. It's not too loud. It was good.
Okay.
I was joking. We can't hear him now. Oh, shoot.
Bro.
All right. Whatever you had before was perfect. My heart is racing. How come? You were the reason how I started my Roblox creating career. That's awesome. Super glad. Thanks for sharing. Really appreciate the support, and I'm glad that you were able to launch your career. That's super awesome. Can you give me some Robux? This isn't a donation stream though. That's the problem. We're doing a game dev stream. Okay, EBG, do we want to go ahead and talk about the theme for our game and try and get some feedback?
I think so, yeah.
All right, but so for those of you who don't know what we're doing, we are participating in Road Jam. It's a game jam for $1,500, and the jam is for the next 2 weeks. So we got 2 weeks to work on it. The theme for this game jam is history. So basically, we need to come up with some cool theme that has to do with history. And we've got 4 options from you guys. You can't see full studio? What do you mean? What do you mean you can't see full studio? What was I saying? Oh yeah, we need to come up with a theme. We've got 4 ideas, and we're gonna tell you all of them, and you guys are gonna vote on what your favorite is. Sound good? And we may or may not decide based on that. We'll see. On stream, bro, I'm so confused. You can't see the full studio on stream? Because I'm looking at the stream right now, and I can see it.
It's bordered out. I'm pretty sure it's bordered out right now.
Oh, you mean on the left side, how it's a little cropped? Yeah, it's because my, I could just shrink it a little bit. Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. I think it just doesn't really fit. How's that? Is that any better? Make a cart ride game? No. No. It has to be a good history-themed game. That's Like, that's not a history game, bro. A kart ride game? Okay. All right, I think they're ready to vote. Do we want to go ahead and explain the themes and then we can let them vote?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, cool.
Should I
I'll
start with
I'll
mine?
explain my two and then you
Or,
can do your two. But if you want to start, go for it.
okay. All right, yeah, I'll do that. All right.
All right, listen up, guys. Listen up.
So my two themes that I decided to do were where are they? It was the disappearance of Roanoke from like early days in like the I think it was the 1700s, maybe even 1600s. And then I had the like 1960s McDonald's inspired like tycoon experience simulator game. Yeah, they're pretty broad, but those were the two dates that I had that I picked, and try and see if I can make a game out of that. And yeah.
Sweet. And then I'm gonna write the rest of them. So I've got 50s, like 1950s spy themed murder mystery sort of thing. That was one of my ideas. And then also we could do a what's it called? I don't know if you guys remember like the whole Industrial Revolution with all the oil and steel and railroad tycoons. How there were all these like billionaires that just made these gigantic tycoon companies. Basically, some sort of story having to do with that, where I don't know if you are one of the billionaires or if you're working for them, but some cool story having to do with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in here. I feel like people are gonna see these and not remember what we just said, but
Probably.
but that's okay. What game should we make? I've got all 4 themes on a poll. Guys, go ahead and vote and let us know what you think. Is this for the Rodevs Game Jam? Yes, it is. Chunk, wait, what? Y'all make some WGUIs for 500 Robux. I think we're gonna stick to a 2-dev team for this one. Okay, things are moving. Let's vote. Let's see, what do you guys think? So far, the restaurant thing is winning.
Restaurant. Oh, did you
Like the McDonald's.
It's supposed to be a solo player game, by the way.
Oh yeah, single player game, by the way. Forgot about that. Let's vote. Didn't they double the prize money? Yeah, but first place is 1,500. Are you going to have the ice cream machine out of order?
Oh yeah, we should add that feature.
That'd be funny.
That should be 90% of the game, actually.
For real. And also keep in mind, as you're voting, the judges are going to be 18 and older, so we need to make it appeal to the older demographics. I DM'd on Discord. Okay, I'll check it after stream. All right. EVG, I think we have a winner.
Yeah.
All right, it looks like you guys want the restaurant. Should we do the restaurant? Do you want to just do it?
I think we should do that one.
Bet. Let's do it. We're locked in. So, when was McDonald's invented? Like this, it was the early 60s or late 50s, right?
It was around that time.
Cool.
I'll look it up just to be sure. McDonald's was founded in 1955.
55. Perfect. Okay. I think this will be fun. I love that time period. That's like my favorite time period in American history, and it's only like 80 years ago. So,
Yeah.
cool. Let's do it.
Technically, it was 1940. That's weird.
Oh, interesting.
It became a franchise in 1955, though.
Gotcha. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and end this poll. I guess let's get to work on trying to come up with how this game is gonna work. Then let's get a core gameplay loop, and then we can divvy out some tasks. Sound good?
Yeah.
Stream on Discord? What do you mean stream on Discord? I can't stream on Discord because I've got my call with EBG on Discord, so I can't do more than one call right now. Okay, I'm gonna pull up the Trello, and do you want to just start filling that out then?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. Okay, so we have our basic theme for the game finished. We need to make a core gameplay loop. EBG, what ideas do you have for that?
I think that there needs to be definitely some like cooking aspects of it, along
Yeah.
with like cashier, register, and we should have the most simple NPCs ever for like customers.
Yeah. Should there be any
And
story? Like,
I think so, yeah, because it's supposed to. Another thing of the like rules or like recommendations that they said is to make it like the first 5 minutes get like allow the judges to be hooked on the game already. Like,
yeah.
get them invested. So I think starting with like some story aspect or like a cutscene or something like that, just to like get the idea
Agreed.
out would be really helpful.
Agreed, yeah.
But I'm not sure how long they're supposed to be playing the game for. So
Yeah, me
I
neither.
think literally just a short story, like an hour long at most, could
Yeah.
probably be fine. But it really depends. So
Yeah, I agree. What
Not
kind
sure.
of story do you think would hook that demographic of like that 18 and up?
18 and up. I think it should be very business focused and like
Yeah.
starting from the ground up. So like the beginning of the game should start with like a small burger shack or something like that. And then you have to like upgrade your restaurant because it's not it although it's like 1950s McDonald's inspired, it like per the rules it doesn't have to be exactly the event.
Mm-hmm.
It can just like be around that time. So I think starting with like working your way up, basically like rags to riches. I think that could be
That'd
the
be fun.
premise of the story.
Yeah. Yo, what if... Hold on. This might be a horrible idea because 50s was kind of when like the whole color thing was starting on like TVs, you know? Like TVs started getting
Oh
color
yeah, that's
and all
true.
that.
Yeah.
But
looked
I
that
was
up a
wondering,
bit ago, yeah.
like, I don't know. Would it be kind of cool if we did like a almost vintage like washed color?
Oh, that would be awesome. Yeah.
Like, I don't know. We could talk about that. That
That's
was
what I
just a
was-
random
yeah.
thought I had. But
Yeah. No, that's true though. Yeah, like I'm very excited to build like this one, especially when coming up with the idea. Like I had exactly like envisioned how the building and the lighting was gonna look. It was gonna be like very nostalgic.
yeah, yeah. Can we
like,
do
fan the
like?
game and stuff.
Could we do what am I saying? Can we do like swing music from the 50s as like the
Oh, that would be a vibe. Yeah.
that would be cool. Like
Little
obviously we
bit-
can't
little
take
bit
real
of jazz in
Sinatra
there.
music, but that style of music,
Yeah. hmm
that'd be fun.
I'm sure there's some royalty-free stuff out there for that.
There's gotta be, yeah. Okay. So basic like core gameplay is gonna be, I mean, essentially it's like any other tycoon. You start small, make money, level it up, right? That's the kind of idea.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, and then like tie in some story elements in there
Yeah.
somehow. I
My-
mean, this is supposed to be just like a rough draft. You know?
Yeah, yeah. My only question would be, how are we gonna keep it from getting stale? Like, to me, if I were personally
Um,
playing this game and I don't know, if I made a burger and then upgraded my
Yeah.
restaurant, I probably wouldn't want to make another burger and upgrade it again. It would get repetitive for me.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, that's true. I think. I mean, most games like this, like, what's a good example? Like, I think it was like all like the Papa's like Flash games, like the Papa's Taqueria or whatever
Mhm.
the other ones. They had it where you would like upgrade toppings as you go on.
Okay.
So I think you could do we could do a similar thing, where like you start to unlock more features in the game
Yeah.
that can allow you to make more money. And then additionally, I think there should be random like world events. They're like not super crazy, but like for instance, maybe once in a while a super wealthy businessman comes, and then like that person has like gives the player extra money or something like that.
Oh yeah,
Very
that's
basic,
a good idea.
but I
Yeah,
think there should be those type
different
of things just to
events.
make the game like, yeah, like make it feel less boring and
Yeah.
repetitive, I guess.
What if there was, like, I feel like this would be a little unique. I don't know how it would work, but what if there was a day and night system where you basically work during the day and then at night you do renovations and things like that?
That'd
Um,
be cool.
and then we could
Yeah,
even
I think.
at the start of each day maybe have like a newspaper article, and maybe there could be some event that happens, like I don't know what was during that period,
Exactly,
like
yeah.
in the news it could show like the Cold War, and then there's a crash in the economic situation, so like people aren't spending as much money, things like that, you know.
Yeah, that's true. That would be, yeah, that would be a really good way to bring the story along without making it too complicated.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, I think that's definitely feasible. Okay. I'm gonna write down some of the building stuff that I'm
Cool.
gonna have to do.
Are they gonna like, because part of the thing um with the franchises like McDonald's, where that they had so many different locations, I assume that's
Yeah,
not the case here. I don't know how we
probably
would.
not,
Yeah.
because that would become really like difficult to
Yeah.
implement. I feel like making a whole corporate business thing.
Yeah, for sure.
It'd be cool, but for the time that we have, which is 2 weeks, I feel like that's a little lofty.
Yeah, I agree. Should should we put taxes in the game?
Taxes?
Like every once in a while you have
My
to
gosh.
remember to pay your taxes. So you have to save
Jeez.
enough money in your bank account for it.
Yeah. Add different endings. One of them is jail, bro.
That's crazy.
IRS comes after you.
Yeah, that would be kind of crazy.
Honestly, though, that's a good idea.
Hey, someone said yes. Somebody said we should do the taxes. Add taxes is what they said.
I think that, yeah, that's a core game element right there.
Yeah, let's do it. But things like that actually could be good. Like, you have to save enough money in your account. You can't just spend it all on supplies and stuff.
That's true. Yeah, that's
Because we
strategy.
could also have repairs and things like that. Like maybe there's a leak in the
Yeah.
roof on a rainy night, and
Yeah, and the ice cream machine breaks.
yeah, exactly. So you need to like strategically think about how much money to save and also how much to spend, so you can keep progressing without being in a bad spot when you have to pay for something.
Yeah, totally. We should we should make the ice cream machine break like almost every single night. Like
I'm down.
the chances of it happening should be really, really high.
I'm down. That'd be funny. Did they even break all the way back then? Like, was that a frequent thing?
No, I don't think so. No.
Okay,
Back
just
then,
a
like stuff was,
modern.
like really high quality
Yeah.
and cheap. All right. So beginning restaurant stand, and then secondary restaurant. What's after stand? Would it be like?
After, sorry, what?
I'm trying to think. Like, I think there should be 3 levels for like a new building or like new restaurant. So starting with like a stand, and then maybe going on to a shack or something. Because
Should-
McDonald's was very fast food back
Yeah, yeah, for sure. Should we have drive-throughs too, and they have to like manage the customers at the drive-through? I don't know when drive-throughs
then. I
started.
think so, yeah. It should be like near the end of the game,
Yeah.
I think. Yeah.
And, like-
secondary shack.
What about like hiring employees?
Ooh. Yeah. I mean, yeah. I think that's a really good idea. That'd be pretty fun to actually make and animate that personally.
Yeah, what if they have business interviews? You have to decide if they're going to be a
That'd
good
be cool,
employee or
yeah.
not, and there's like a specifically set, like they'll say a certain thing if they're not going to be a good employee, And if you make a bad decision, then they end up like, I don't know, selling the wrong burgers to people or something. I don't know.
Yeah, that'd be really cool.
Obviously, we don't want to overdo
Yeah,
it because it's 2 weeks, but
Yeah, that's true. I think just try and like cram as much stuff in
Yeah,
as
yeah.
possible, just like all the ideas that we have, and then narrow it down eventually.
yeah, for sure. And then would that be like after hours that you hire employees, like that you do your business interviews, or is that during?
After hours, I think it would probably be during, just
Okay.
to make it even more stressful.
Yeah, yeah.
Um, and then you have to make sure like the person that's trying to be hired doesn't like have to wait too long, or else they will just leave. So it's kind of
Be
like a
fun.
timing thing too.
What about I think I could do this. What about a placement system for the different machines? Like
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's true.
you can place your ice cream
It should be very
wherever.
basic
and-
though. Very,
Yeah.
very basic. Where it's like you get like 6 spots where you can place the dishwasher
Yeah.
or like something like that. Not the dishwasher, but like the dishes area.
Yeah. Add tax evading.
Oh my gosh.
Immersive cooking. I mean, kind of.
Should it be first person or third person?
I was about to ask the same thing. I feel like a first-person game would be kind of cool.
Yeah, I think so too. It might be. I think it would be easier for placement too,
Yeah,
and like
I agree.
using stuff. So
When new video? Soon. This is actually gonna be turned into a video. Don't tell anyone, but I'm gonna be doing a video on this when the game jam's over.
move this over here. Oh boy, modeling. I'm not excited to do that.
Honestly, if you want me to help,
Jeez.
I've been doing some Discord. Sorry, I read Discord on the chat. I've been doing some Blender stuff. If you need some help, so.
Yeah, I mean, go ahead.
Yo, hey, I need here chunk berries. I'm gonna make you mod, okay? Because we're having some people that are, yeah, people are not behaving.
Getting out of hand. Oh boy. Is Flippy still in the chat?
I don't see Flippy. I haven't seen Flippy in a while.
Yeah, I don't know where the Europeans are at. Usually they're on around now.
Yeah, that's why I picked an earlier stream time just so they could make it.
Chunk is gonna just single mod everybody.
I know. W chunk, you guys. Okay, scripting, golly. So the cooking system has got to be the most important part of the game.
Yeah.
How is that gonna work? Like, do they fry each of the patties individually, and then like should it be some interesting mechanics where you have to like move your mouse up and down to shake the pan and flip it or whatever? Like should I
think it shouldn't
mess
be,
around with
like-
that or?
Yeah, I think it shouldn't be like super complicated.
Yeah.
Just to make it not like tedious.
Yeah.
But I think there should be like some realistic element in it.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of it just being like a button that you press and then you get like a patty like
Yeah.
5 seconds later or something like that.
Yeah.
I think it'd be useful to like, flip the patty and then you should be able to like upgrade your character to be able to do more patties at once or something like that.
Yeah.
Um,
And it'll help with employees because they start doing the work.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's true. But yeah, I think that's like your territory because that's
Yeah.
more the scripting stuff.
Yeah.
And
I'm just trying to think of like how the whole cooking, because it's not just cooking. Like, if it's McDonald's burgers, it's like that's beyond just cooking. There's lettuce and tomatoes that you're gonna have to get out of the fridge and chop and all that.
Yeah, that's true.
It's like a bunch of
Yeah, let me
different
actually
systems.
put all those models down. Which I'm not even sure what the, like, how realistic the building style is going to be. Probably not super realistic, but
Yeah.
still wanted to, like, have a remnants of the 50s. Lettuce, actually, ingredient models.
Oh, and fries. I didn't even think about that. There's the fryers that they're gonna
Yeah.
have. Do they do? I mean, there's the ice cream. So, should it be burgers, fries, ice cream, and nothing else, or do we like have different items that they can unlock, like shakes that they can unlock as they get through the game?
I think shakes, yeah, that was a really important thing about McDonald's back then too.
Yeah, that was a huge '50s thing too. Burgers and shakes.
Yeah. So I think you could probably just limit it to like 4 things. Actually 5. It would be soda or pop. And then fries, burgers, shakes. Maybe that's just 4, actually. I don't think they had anything else.
Yeah.
That'd just make it easier too.
So cook the
burgers.
patties.
Shakes. Soda. Pop.
Did I just misspell that? I feel like I'm misspelling everything right now. There's no spell check.
Whoops. I'm gonna change the description of the burgers. Try and brainstorm all the toppings.
Wait. What am I? I'm going crazy. It's a Y. Yeah, it's a Y.
What are you trying to spell?
Fryer. I thought it was. I couldn't decide if it was F-R-I-E-R or Y-E-R.
Oh no.
Okay, they cut the potatoes, place them in the fryer. Is there anything left of the fry system? Like,
Oh, add oil, like at the beginning of the day. Although I don't know if that might be too specific.
honestly,
Although yeah, that's, I don't know. It's like a small little thing that I feel like would be really easy to forget. So
yeah.
that might make it a little difficult. So I don't know. Patties, bones, cheese, lettuce.
Yeah, my main
Tomato.
thing is just like had brain rot. No, no way. Can you imagine like a brain rot burger?
Oh my gosh, no. Yeah, let's make it. Let's make it 200 Robux to unlock that too. Just to
Yeah, right. Oh yeah, ice cream. Okay, ice cream system. That one. I mean, it's probably just grab some things out of the fridge / freezer, like grab ice
Pretty
and
much,
cream.
yeah. Oh yeah, ice. Yeah. Never think about that. Add that 200.
And then what about the shake system? Do they use the already made ice cream to then make the shakes? Or is that a separate system?
I mean, that'll probably work fine just for this game. I think they use like instant packets back then for that, but yeah, just using ice cream would probably be easier. And then I added the ingredients list for the burgers. description of it. Let me know if there's any extra things I should add.
Okay, cool. Let's see. Patties, buns, cheese, lettuce, tomato, ketchup, mustard, mayo. Looks good to me. The name of the game when the game is done, tell me. I have no clue what the game is going to be called yet.
Yeah,
Sorry.
I don't even know what it should be called.
It's not.
I was just thinking about that after writing the like. There should be the main building sign. I don't know if like the player should change the name of the sign or not, or if it should just be like defaulted to something.
Yeah. I don't know.
That could be like.
That could be an option when they first join the game to name their restaurant.
Yeah, I think it should be. I think that'd be. Yeah, that should work.
I'm still a little worried about the progression system. I feel like we really need to map that out very carefully.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just trying to think of all like the little models so I can like
Call it Build
make
Your
those
Dream
as soon as
Restaurant or
possible.
something.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's true too. I feel that's a little difficult though. Because if we do make it so they, well, actually, I don't know. Never mind.
Make a progression list. Oh, that's a good idea.
Progression. Oh
Progression.
yeah, that's a good idea.
Remember, it has to be retro. Absolutely, yeah.
My heart is racing again, bro. What is going on?
Make the game's name the best games. Because the thing is, I like that idea. The only thing is, I feel like we need it to scream 50s if we come up with a name like that.
Yeah, I agree.
Make it so you get the paycheck every 7 days. I don't know that you get a pay your employees. There's another liability you have to keep track of.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, that could be a whole thing.
You can get arrested for not paying minimum wage.
Yikes. What was even minimum wage back then?
I don't know.
20 cents an hour.
Yeah.
Let's see.
You will cook when the game is done, trust me. Alright, appreciate it. EBG, he said we're gonna cook when the game is done.
Yep.
We're cooking with this game,
Yeah.
trust.
Should we use like actual money? Or
Like-
should it be like,
The real money values that they used to have.
yeah, the real money value?
I feel like that'd be cool. Like a 10-cent burger or whatever it was.
That'd be interesting, yeah. Minimum wage in 1950 was 75 cents an hour. It's actually
Wow.
quite a lot.
How much was a burger?
I think it was like 10 cents or something. I'll look it up.
I don't know what to
How
build in
much?
Roblox. Can you give me an idea?
It was a McDonald's.
Add food inspection controls that come random times. Ooh.
Yikes,
I don't know if we're gonna have time for that one.
Yeah.
Are you making a fast food game? Yeah,
That'd be brutal,
50s style fast food game.
Burger was 15 cents back then.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna make a list for the prices real quick.
That's crazy. A milkshake was more expensive than a burger.
How much was it?
Not 20 cents.
Wow.
French fries were 10 cents too. Okay. So it was hamburger 15, French fries 10, milkshakes 20, and then soft drinks were 10 cents as well.
We make it sometimes very rare a mini gunman comes if you don't give him the food in time he shoots. That's crazy.
What the heck? That'd be an interesting world event.
Like
Have the mafia come.
that'd be crazy. Like a 1 in 100 chance He spawns every night or something. I don't know. Nah, that's crazy.
Add a robber. Yeah, that'd be good too.
Please do it. Add Gordon Ramsay that comes randomly inspecting your restaurant.
Oh my gosh.
We're going for realism, just so you guys know.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, what were all the application or appliances, not applications?
So they would have needed, like, if we're going all out on this, they would need to continually buy things like plates, utensils, cups,
Yeah.
napkins.
Oh, they didn't have plates. It was just bags.
Oh, that's true.
So,
You're right. So
yeah.
bags, cups.
Yeah. Restockable items.
Oh, what if? Here's an idea. So every night at closing, how about a delivery man comes to the back of the shop, delivers your orders, and you have to order the next day's supplies a day ahead of time.
Oh shoot. That's good, yeah.
Because obviously, I mean, maybe you could
certain-
call them,
Yeah.
but like if you send them
Certain
with
days
a
of the week,
paper.
too.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Certain days of the week would be much more busier than others, so you really
Yeah.
have to strategize that. Like
That'd be-
Friday would
that'd be
probably
crazy.
be the most busy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Friday nights. Oh my gosh, that'd be crazy.
Okay, so we got
Inventory.
napkins. Paper bags. Burger wrapping. French fry wrapping. Or cartons. Cardboard things. Cardboard holders.
Oh my gosh. Mr. Punchball is still on the mafia boss.
Bro.
That would be funny. I just don't think that we can do that one.
That'd be so difficult to add.
I know.
If we have 3 extra days, maybe.
Also, it's Roblox. You can make anything true. Add a strawberry milkshake? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yep. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. I think those are the 3 that will work.
Yeah.
And I'll just add strawberry ice cream too.
So,
Oh, I already had it. Oops.
if we're doing the whole paychecks and stuff like that, or not paychecks, but like the, minimum wage with employees and stuff, I feel like we should have a full bill that you have to pay. Like, you got to pay rent, you got to pay for your
Yeah.
electricity, you got to pay for all this stuff, and that way you got to save enough for it.
Yeah, totally.
Now, how does a day end? Do they, like, at a certain time, do we just fade to black and fade up on a new day?
I don't know. I feel like you could make it up to the player. Like, in any game that I've played, they've always had it where, like, there was certain times where closing would happen.
Yeah.
But you could make it so the player could close at any time if they really wanted to.
That's
But
true,
it's,
yeah.
like, lighting should add up too. Like, it should. So if they keep it open for like extra long and they're getting no customers, then that's like a negative loss.
Yeah.
Or like that would be a big loss. So I don't know. You can make that up to the player maybe. Yeah. Not sure what's easier though. Probably having it be a specific time, but
I'm down to just make it close whenever the player wants it to. That would be kind of cool.
yeah, I think that'd be cool. Yeah. What other restockable items are there?
But then, what do you do during closing hours? Like, from, let's say they closed up shop from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. the next day. What's that 12-hour increment going to be? Like,
That's true.
do we have a cutscene of them walking out and then it fades and then they walk back in the
Yeah,
next
I think
morning?
so,
Or,
yeah.
I don't know.
Make it real, yeah. Make it super simple like that.
Okay.
And then in like the morning there would be like no people coming in, so that could be like a lot of prep hour,
Yeah.
making sure stuff is stocked up.
Yeah. Maybe add a
I'm trying to-
timer so that you know how much time you have left on the
Yeah.
time of day. Also, you could add rush hours so that people come off in at certain times, lunchtime and dinner time. Good idea.
What other restockable items are there? Other than like the ingredients, I'll add that later. But right now I have napkins, paper bags, burger wrapping, French fries, and then soda cups, soda
Mhm.
slash milkshake cups.
Yeah. I'm good with. Um,
I don't think there's anything else.
should there be special orders? Like no lettuce, no tomato?
Yeah, yeah,
And then I was thinking what they could do is they could have like a storage section. So if they make some burgers ahead of time while it's not a rush hour, they can just start making them and stash them up for when people come in. But they also got to remember what's. I don't know.
yeah. That would work too. Yeah, yeah. Whatever you would like to code, you can do that.
Okay.
But like a lot of this is coding stuff, so
Yeah.
hopefully we could figure out how to separate the work out pretty easily.
Yeah.
Probably for like the first couple days of development, I'll be focusing on making the models,
Cool.
because that's going to be the most annoying, and then I'll start work on building the scenes.
Sounds good.
All right, application, or oh my gosh, I keep saying applications. Appliances. What appliances are there?
Freezer,
Could be
fridge,
yep, freezer.
ice cream machine. Also the shake. I don't know if that's a blender or what. Fryer. Pantry. I feel like the pantry should just come with it.
Yeah, probably. Shaker.
Do you want me to
Stovetop.
do a grab system like Dead Rails? You know how they have the like you hold your mouse to pick up something and then
Oh,
you
yeah.
just- it follows you, or do you think that's not the right system for this?
I think that could be if it's easy to make. If not, just do like E to grab.
Yeah.
And then like F to drop or something like that.
Cool.
But yeah, if you can do that system, that'd be really cool.
Chunk says yes, yes, yes. All right. Do you want me to start coding something just so that I can get to work, or do you think that we have more planning from the scripting side of things to do?
I don't know. What do you want to start coding first, or what do you have on your mind?
I don't know. I was down to just start the grab system because that's gonna be necessary for anything else we do, really.
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna keep adding items to the Trello board,
Okay, cool.
and then see what other stuff we need.
What do you guys think of this burger?
Appliances again.
Oh my gosh, what a burger, you guys! What a burger!
Oh, cutting board. I like the lettuce. Oh yeah, appliance. Okay, I think that's all the appliances that we need. Anything else?
We're allowed to use open source modules, right? I think it said that.
Open source? I believe so, yeah. I can quickly check the rules though.
Okay. I think I checked that specifically because I was wondering. But... And just so that
Yeah,
it's
open source stuff is allowed. Paid
Okay.
stuff is not
cool.
allowed, I believe.
Just so that it's documented, I'm pulling up Trove for the people that want to see the documentation. This is an open source module on GitHub. There we go. Now I've showed it. I think we're good. Just go and paste that in there. All right. We got ourselves a Trove. What the fudge is a Trove? It's a module for keeping your objects like cleaned up, basically. So okay, so here's an example. Let's just say let's say I'm making a new system for this. I can set the Trove, and actually let me go and grab that module. So I can set it to a new Trove, and then basically as long as I set it up with Trove, when I'm ready to destroy the system, I can just say Trove destroy and it'll clean up everything for me. It's just like it's a way to make sure you don't have memory leaks or anything like that. I don't really know that we'll need that, to be fully honest, but I'll at least use it later in the game, so it's good to have. Now our pickup system, I don't think there's any time where it's not going to be running, right? They should always be able to pick things
No,
up.
yeah, it should be always running, yeah.
Okay, cool. When are you going to post? This is actually for my next video, so just stay tuned. Where you'd get those libraries? I got Trove from GitHub. You can get them all over the place, but there are a lot of cool libraries that are open source on GitHub, so.
Do you think the map should be pretty small? Like, I'm trying to think of like any other places like the player would have to go, other than like the small neighborhood with the restaurant there.
Oh, if they go to, that's another thing to talk about, is if they go to, gosh, sorry, I just lost my train of thought. If they have a city and village or whatever, should they go to the store themselves, or do they have a delivery man that picks things up from the store? Because if we do a store, then obviously you have to build a whole store map. So.
Yeah. I think just do a delivery system.
Okay, sounds good. And they were just starting to use cars by then, right? I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, yeah, like I think it was like more like there was now like family vehicles.
Oh, okay. So yeah.
Like McDonald's rose up really quickly. Because you could just park and then get out, grab your stuff, and then drive away with your stuff in a bag. I think so, at least I haven't done much research on McDonald's.
Yeah.
So yeah, the map should be pretty simple. So I should have plenty of time to work on the models and fine-tune those.
Cool.
Ooh, UI design. What UI elements do we need? Probably time.
What am I doing? Sorry, I totally did not hear what you just said. What was that?
No, you're good. You're good. No, I'm just working on the UI elements right now.
Oh yeah.
Figure out those.
Cool. And guys, if you have any ideas for us, feel free to throw them in the chat. We are totally open to ideas. So at least I am. I don't know if EBG is, but
No, I'm completely open. Totally. Yeah, I'll be reading the chat like a lot more. Pretty sure Code Bro's pretty locked in on coding right now.
yeah. Sorry, guys.
Can you make a mold system that every 10 days food goes moldy and the customers won't pay if it's moldy? It's a really good idea. Definitely have a expiration element. That'd be cool. I'll add that to the Trello.
Anything interactable, just as a by the way, needs to be in a model. Otherwise, the system's gonna break.
Yes.
So, I'm just letting you know because that's how I'm scripting it.
Does there need to be a primary part in order for there to be like no clipping?
Probably.
Or is like there? Okay. Yeah.
But if it's honestly just a hitbox, you don't even need to weld anything. I don't. Wait. Yeah, maybe there should be a primary part with welded stuff because I'm assuming it's not going to be anchored, right? Because they're going to want to pick it up.
No, yeah, no. Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, gameplay. Where would that be at? Okay, let's see what other ideas we have. Add a salad bar and add bathrooms that could improve your ratings. Where are you going? Oh, rating system. That would be a good idea too. Could totally do that. Let's see what else we got. Oh yeah, bathrooms. Yeah, bathrooms would be a good expansion to add. I'll add that real quick to the building list. What else we got? Is this some ASMR stuff? Hopefully not.
Mold system is good. That would kind of be crazy. Oh, I forgot to require this. Hold on. That's the worst. I've been using.
FMs, bro.
What did he say?
He said that he was leaving a couple like minutes ago. He might be finally leaving right now.
Good luck with the game, Kerbo and his friend. Bye. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, so I keep doing this recently. I use like basically only module scripts now, and it's the worst to like script an entire module and then try and figure out what's happening, why it's not working, and then you realize you forgot to require it.
Yeah. Gotta go see sleep. But yeah, bro. Yeah, expiration system's a good idea. Add that real quick. Expiration.
Oh, I forgot to put this in a model. I literally told you everything needs to be in models,
Yeah,
and
you-
then I didn't even do it myself. Is a mold system good? That's what somebody asked. What do you think?
I think so. I think it should be simple enough where it's like, if food is like out for a little bit, like add just a attribute to it that like sees how long food that hits the floor becomes expired or has like a negative rating, if you could detect that somehow. Bed. And then food that's out for too long. Okay.
Stanley's Candyland, welcome to the stream. What are you making? It is a game for a game jam. It's like a restaurant themed game. Boom, look at that. We have a hovering system. That is it. Should I use strict mode? That's up to you. I prefer it because it helps you keep your code nice and clean. Type checks everything for you. Where's the camera? Oh, camera mode. Lock first person. I'm highly considering. Hold on. Should I use declarative UI for this or no? In other words, like, I don't know if you've seen the modules that are out there now, but there's things like Roact, which is a module where you can make your UI in code instead of like through physical GUIs. I don't know.
I've not heard of that. So
Okay.
if it's easier for you, sure, but I don't want to create too much work for you. So
I've never done it. I'm just wondering if it'll be way easier because we're gonna have so many. I assume we're gonna have a lot of UI changing. Like when you hover on something, it'll
Probably,
want to
yeah.
show you what you're hovering on, things like that. You know.
yeah, yeah. If you want to try that out, sure. Is that from the toolbox or like open source? Or is that just like a
It
system
is.
thing?
Sorry.
Whatever.
It's It's on GitHub. It's let's see, React Lua. That's what it is.
By chunk.
Oh, is Chunk heading out?
Yeah. First person on send the looks weird. Yeah.
Alright. Config. Assigning values to a small number of specific global variables.
Drive through and fridges, got that on the list of things to do.
Okay, I don't think that I should learn a whole new framework for this. I'm just gonna use regular GUIs.
Okay. in chat. You guys should make admin abuse. No.
What? You don't think that'd go over well with the 18 plus judges?
Yeah, I don't know about that. 2 months and I have never used a module script. Is that bad? Module scripts are just like. Actually, I don't know. I don't script that much, but it's just good for organization.
Yeah, it's really not much different than a regular script. It's just that, I mean, instead of writing all the code in one script, you can write functions like this that you can use across multiple scripts. So everything stays organized. Like you can see here, I've got everything I need for my pickup system right here in replicated storage. That's why you would want to use module scripts. Just makes things way more organized.
What kind of game are we making? We are making a restaurant game for a game jam. Add a gambling system. Oh no. I think the games are. It's good. It already has some chance stuff in it though. Like some customers might
Add
tip
gambling.
money.
You guys are crazy. Oh man, forgot to initialize it.
Gambling with Robux? Yeah, no. That might appeal to 18 plus people though.
True.
Slot machines, yeah. Just have that in the back of the restaurant, totally. Alright, UI I got time, upgrades, sprint, player upgrades, appliance placement, and grabbing system. Trying to think of any others at the moment.
Burger.
Burger.
Yeah, the UI.
Oh, okay.
Let me double check the board because I heard a couple of those things. I didn't hear all of them. Sprint, player upgrades, appliance placement, copy system. Yeah, I can't think of anything else, but I'll of course add stuff if I do.
Yeah.
So we decided adding gambling. No, we didn't decide yet.
Oh.
Okay, so that works.
Well, what is all the errors? Is that just Roblox creating?
I think they're
errors out of
plugins.
nowhere.
Yeah, I think these are all because these are all images right here.
Yeah.
And then the other thing is, like, should that be a static UI or should it be one of those, you know, those like pop-ups that go over the item instead of just on your screen?
Oh, a billboard GUI? Right.
Is that what that's called? Probably.
I don't know. I think so. Oh, we're just... Yeah.
Is that...
I think it should be a billboard GUI.
Okay, cool. That's easy.
Personally.
What style of the UI are we gonna go for? That's the other thing. Like, I feel like if we can figure out a way, it should just look 50s somehow.
Somehow, yeah. Trying to think of how that could even happen. I'll look up some reference images.
Cool.
Try and see if we have any ideas.
This is just a placeholder, you guys. People watching the stream, that's just a placeholder. That's gonna be changed. Don't worry. Don't worry. Wait, what the heck? Hover UI.
Ooh, I really like this reference image actually. It's like a warm kind of like overtone. I'll add it to the Trello.
Sweet.
Oops, wrong place.
I haven't checked the chat in a while. Sorry guys. Add spins to the game. Wait.
Oh yeah, they're still going on about the gambling stuff. nonstop. That's just 90% of chat right now.
For real.
Preview.
Yo, what's up, Voxify? Welcome to the chat.
These are all 8-bit files. Remove.
TBH, Roblox gambling is fire. Oh man. Yo, um, oh, you know what? That needs to go like that. There we go. Are you a scripter, like a good one? I like to think that I am. Okay, there we go. Now it's working. Boom. Alright. Grab system, here we go. Are you for hire? Depends on the game. It's honestly, yeah, it honestly depends on the game. I'm like usually very busy, so it would have to be a game that I am willing to put hours into because it takes a lot of time to script a game. But if you want to shoot me a DM on Discord with the details, feel free.
Ooh, add levels so you can unlock new foods and recipes for progression. Yeah. I think it's gonna be probably the level. I don't know about a level system, but like using money as a way to upgrade will definitely be there. So then you can keep making more money.
Oh, you say a leveling system?
Yeah, but we could probably keep it as just doing like money as the main like way to upgrade. To be honest.
I'm down for a leveling system if you want to.
Levels, yeah, that could work too though.
Well, me and my team are super devoted to making this game. We're basically all done. We just need some extra help. Yeah, feel free to send me a DM with the details, and I'll check it out after stream.
Oh my gosh, bro. Add pizza, but if you want it, you need to gamble. I don't think this restaurant has pizza, nor will it have gambling. All right, add the reference images. You want to take a look at that for the UI?
Yeah, gotcha.
Then what else we got? Impression.
All right. Oh, that's so cool. What the heck? Yo, guys, what do you think of this? That looks sick. Especially that top image. I really like that.
Yeah, the top image I really like. I think it's, yeah, that's my favorite one. Could do a pixelated thing too.
Definitely looks vintage, yeah. I like it. What is in it? It's a function. I mean, it's just a function that I wrote. It's not like it does something by itself. But it initializes the system. Most systems like that have an init function that sets up what you need it to set up. You really don't need gamepad or mobile support, I'm assuming.
Probably not. It's not that too difficult to add though, regardless.
Yeah. I'm gonna use the like input contexts that Roblox use, so if we want to add mobile and gamepad support, it should be easy.
Okay, sounds good.
I just joined. What's the game about? It is a 50s style restaurant game. Oh, mouse handler. Are you also familiar with other coding languages? Yeah, I do. I do Node.js, React, a little bit of Python, and some SQL development. CS student? No, actually, I'm actually not. Self-taught for my programming stuff. Okay. Man, I am gonna switch things around a little bit. I'm writing states way too much. Beautiful.
Make map already? Bro, we just started. Oh my gosh. Modeling, I guess. Right now I'm just trying to write down all the steps, and I'm working on
EBG,
the
you're
game
kind of selling,
progression.
bro. Kind of selling.
Slacking? Oh my gosh. Yeah,
Do you know
I should totally
Python?
have this whole map done.
I know, right? You should be working on the second stage of the game already.
Oh yeah, totally.
Do you know Python? A little bit, yeah. It's not my favorite language. I actually don't care for it at all, but I do know it to some extent.
Brush system, yeah. We already, yeah, we have that on the list right now of things to add.
Okay.
What is the
QWERTY
genre? It's kind of like a tycoon simulator game, I guess. It's 50s themed though, 50s, 60s, around that time. My gosh. Bro, we might need a moderator in the stream soon. Python is my go-to, but it depends. I'm on AI applications. So it's the best option for that purpose. Yeah, I'm a Java person. I love Java.
I have yet to get into Java. No JavaScript. Which is nothing like
yeah.
it, but
Oh my
you know.
gosh, disrespectful.
But I do Node.js. I do backend stuff, so that's okay.
Yeah.
Whoops. Whoops. What am I doing? Cobra, do you ever use AI? Not really. I think the last time I used it was like a year ago, to be honest with you. Oh my gosh. I'm
What just happened?
I got a flying glitch. That was crazy. Oh my gosh, what on earth?
Okay, so this game is going great.
Yeah, for real.
Not a flaw, it's a feature.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, I need to have the offset be more. Like 6 maybe. Started out with Java, don't want to see it anymore. Fair enough.
I don't know what you guys are talking about, man. I think Java's pretty great. It's pretty annoying sometimes, though.
Yeah, it's totally working.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you can place it in the floor. It's pretty cool.
Why does it take so long to fall? Is that just Roblox physics?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Did you see that?
I'm looking on the stream right now. Oh, shoot. I gotta test this out. I'm curious.
What is happening? Look at the stream, bro. What is that? That was stupid.
Roblox
Okay.
Studio has the best physics.
I know, right?
Totally.
Okay, let's figure out what is going on.
That's weird.
If holding and hovering. I'm just gonna, let's see, print states, holding, states, hovering.
I'm gonna check physics debug right here. This is so weird.
That burger is getting cooked, bro. Not for real. False nail. Okay. True burger. False burger.
Gotcha. You can really chuck it really far, honestly.
I wonder if I just need to set the network owner. That's it. It's because I'm updating the position on the client. Oh my gosh, bro.
Oh, it's not updating to the server.
Yeah, the server still thinks it's somewhere else, so.
Okay. I got 6 minutes before I gotta head out.
All
So
good.
I think I'm just gonna quickly make a basic map layout.
Cool. Sounds good. Hold on 1 second. I'll be right back.
Yeah. Tongue sores not being added to the game. That is very true.
Gotta go. Good luck with the game. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. It's gonna be a hacky fix, but that's fine.
Bro, these suggestions that Mr. Punchball have are getting more and more cursed. Add Doge, it's a secret. Cryptocurrencies in Roblox. Please stop spamming random ideas. I agree.
Hey, we have working physics.
Nice.
Oh wait. I think that, let's see, because you can use lerp to make it like slowly come over, right? I think. I haven't used lerp.
Well, lerp's a little deprecated right now, so.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure you still can use it though, so I have no idea.
Do you use the AI for help with scripting? No, I personally don't. Plus, it really doesn't matter because it's AI is off limits for this game jam. I don't think you can lerp a model, right? Would I just have to lerp the primary part, I assume?
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, we're just gonna have to weld everything together. Wait.
I think we should get a mod. Mr. Punchball, bro. Rage baiting the whole chat right now.
What is he saying?
Just add brain rot, all the other stuff. I don't know.
Yo, what the?
How does someone become mod? Magic. Oh
Hey!
boy. Oh boy.
We got a mod. Oh wait, do I trust
This
that
is
mod? Though?
final here.
Do I trust that
My
mod?
ones I have to leave too. All right, for the restaurant layout, I have the main kitchen, and then I have the checkout area, or like basically like the fast food place, drop-off thing. I don't know.
Cool.
Bathroom upgrade, the stock room, and then the freezer / walk-in, and then finally the manager office.
Sweet.
That should be all we need for now.
Check it out. Sweet. Looking good.
Alright, I'm gonna head out right now.
Cool. Sounds good. What's your
Alright.
plan for this evening? Were you wanting to hop on again a little later?
I think so, yeah, probably.
Cool.
I'm gonna start modeling for most of it.
Cool.
So yeah, that should be it. Alright,
Sweet.
see you, chat.
Alright,
Bye,
see you,
Kobo.
BG. You guys get to hang with me now. Is that EBG? Yeah, that was EBG. Let's see. We want to lerp. Well, that's weird. Latest video was 8 months ago. I know, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I am actually, what you guys are watching right now though is progress on my next video. So how about that? It's pretty cool. Yo, why is this thing not lerping, dude? Am I am I insane? Like, why is that not lerping? What if I just, instead of lerping, what if I just use like the spring module? Ooh, that could be a good idea. Hold on. Pivot to NC frame, and maybe I'll just bring in spring. That could be good. Let's see. Okay, so this is spring right here. I'm gonna show it so that it's on documentation for the moderators of the game jam. This is the spring module, open source by Quenti. I'm gonna go ahead and bring that into the game right now. Okay, just copied it and boom, spring. Now I just have to remember how to use this. Let me go to the docs real quick. All right, spring, here we go. Let's bring the docs over here. Physical model of a spring, useful in many applications. Okay, so you create a new spring with a vector of the 0. We set the target. Yeah, that's super easy. I think we just have to constantly set the target. Wait. Hold on. I might be looking at the wrong thing, actually, now I'm thinking about it. Spring set target. When did you learn to code? Several years ago. I don't remember at this point. It was a long time ago, though. There. Got all it requires. Why you just fix with AI, it's gonna be faster. The game jam does not allow you to use AI. That's one of the rules. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the states because I think that could be helpful. Man, the okay, so I'll undo this because that's not working. Let me find. I remember there's a post about springs. Spring module for C-frames. Here we go. I just have to remember. There's not. I couldn't find some like documentation for the spring, so I just have to remember how to write it. What game are you making? It is a 50s style restaurant sort of game. I don't think he's looking in chat. I will look in chat every once in a while. But yeah, for the most part, I am working on the game. But I'll try. I'll try to look at it. Okay. Just this weird spring thing. I don't know why it's freaking out, but it's all right. All right, we'll set some settings. Spring dot. Oh wow. So weird. Do I have the wrong spring module? I'm gonna re-copy and paste this because maybe I have the wrong thing in here. Nope. Still right. Okay. I'm gonna reopen this because this should be it. Alright. We have a spring we create. We say it's spring.new with vector3 0. Pretty sure that's what we did here. Pick up spring, spring.new. I already tried vector3 0. I guess it's just not type checked yet. Here, 1 second, guys. Okay. A smoothed out version of that. Spring.target. Okay, that's super easy. Yeah. So we just say spring.target and then we set our target position. That's easy if that works. So we can just say spring.target equals end Z frame dot position. And then we'll just say spring.position. In theory, that should work. Ooh, argument 1, missing or nil. Ah. Yeah. Let's just print our spring. Let's just even see if it's working. Print pickup spring. Whoops, pickup spring. Oh my gosh, that's why. Pickup spring. Pickup spring, not target. Let's just say end pose, okay, is going to be the camera C frame position camera look vector times config. Yes, all this. And then what we'll just say is local end C frame equals C frame dot new. We're going to say it's the pickup spring dot position. And then we're looking at camera's position. Whoops. Camera dot C frame position. And C frame. Oh. Okay, isn't that smooth though? Look at that. That's cool. Okay, there we go. Do you have any tips for beginner scripters? Honestly, just I would check out modules that other people have made. That's something I didn't really do until later on in the game, and it's honestly super helpful to just read through well-written code to try and figure out what it means, try and learn from it. So I would look at, good libraries on GitHub, things like that. Try and go through that. And then just honestly make projects that you enjoy. You're going to spend a lot of time scripting, so make sure that you only spend time on things that you enjoy, because otherwise you're going to get burned out real fast. Alright. So this, no matter what we do, we're still going to have this target position. So I think we can just always update the spring. Yeah, we're always going to update it so that it doesn't get all messed up. Hi, first stream I'm watching. Love your channel. What game are you making? Thank you very much for the support. Really appreciate that. I'm working on a cooking game. It is for a game jam. It's like a 50s style restaurant game that is in progress. Oh, that is so smooth. I love that. I love that. That's awesome. Boom. Pretty cool, I can't lie. Pretty cool. For what are you making a game? Yeah, it's for a game jam. Got 2 weeks. Alright, it's a little bit laggy when I walk. So I'm gonna actually update this to use mouse handler, UI handler. I'm gonna bind this all to render step because I think that I want a different bind to render step. Update pickup handler. Here's our priority. I think 100 will be fine. And then function. Let's try that. So that should update all this before we have any other like physics rendering. Yeah, that's a lot smoother. It's okay. It's still a little laggy. I might see if I can. Code bro, your server is getting nuked, bro. What are you talking about? Is it actually getting nuked? Okay, I need to find the render priority. Here it is. Okay. So here's render priority. This is what I need to figure out. So anything from 0 to 100 will run between our first, like very, very first and the input. After 200 would be the camera. So I feel like 201 would work because we want to look at where the camera's at and then update, right? Like immediately after the camera. Still a little buggy. But it's a lot better. Nope. Check your server. What's going on in the server? Yo, Carrot, what are they talking about? Oh my gosh, what on earth? Nah, that's crazy. No way, someone just did a carrot raid. That's wild. You guys are crazy. I bet by the end of this stream it's gonna be even more than I had 44 pings. It's probably gonna be more by the next time I check. You guys are crazy. I don't care though. Have at it. Have fun. Just don't do anything against the rules. All right. That's good. Next thing is I think I'm gonna raycast. Yeah. params. This should be the same thing, but just in case, we'll throw it in there. I don't think it hurts to have the same object twice in the params. Alright, so we raycast in front, and if ray and... Oh, is there like a raycast dot distance? Ah, yes, the distance between the ray origin and the intersection point. Perfect. So we can say hit distance equals to raycast distance minus, I don't know, 0.5, and then something hit equals to true. Just like 0.15. Something hit and hit distance or config. All right. So now you shouldn't, in theory, be able to run your burger into a wall. I know that's a problem everyone had. Okay, so now I can fly again. Yo, what is it running into? What? Here I go, you guys. This is a feature, don't worry. Alright, let's figure out what's going on there. Oh, I forgot to set the raycast type. I bet that's it. Params filter type. There it is. Type raycast filter type to exclude. That's gotta be it. You're the best YouTuber ever. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. And we still have that. Okay. Alright, let's figure that out. I mean, I know you guys all want to float on your burgers. It's just, I know this is not a great way to do things, but I don't even care now. We just gotta get to work. Raycast. Oh. Code, I remember you were making videos about earning 100k Robux in a month and you stopped on week 2. Can you continue? Yeah, actually, I am hoping to continue. Okay, well that's a good sign. Sorry, I got a little distracted. Yes, the hope is to continue. I have actually talked with Abro about getting that series up and running again. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Now I can't throw it into a wall. That's kind of cool. Pretty neat. Anyway, all that to say, I do have plans of starting the or finishing the 100K challenge. Put your server general on stream? What do you mean? Let me see. Cobra, can you give me a high back? What's up, Build a Kid? Robux balance reveal. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, bro. Nah, you guys are crazy. Like, guys, what is this? What is this? What on earth? Carrot raid? Nah. That's wild. Okay, what else we got? We I'm gonna hit EBG with a burger. Oh, look, I'm pushing him off with a burger. I didn't know I could do that. Can you add a box? Actually, you know what, Boxy? You know what? I bet you we can add a box. This is a restaurant game, so I'm sure we can find a spot for a box. And maybe I'll label it Boxy or something. That is not a burger. Bro, hold on. What does that say? What does that say, Boxy? I think you're wrong, bro. I think you're wrong. What does that say right there? Can you add an ice cream? We will, don't worry. Ice cream and shakes is on the to-do. Do not even worry. Okay, so I think that if states.hovering and not states.holding, because I feel like the UI while you're holding it is kind of just getting in the way. You know what I mean? Like, in my opinion, boom, boom, that's much better, in my opinion. Still so, like, glitchy. Okay, so if I name it a Mona Lisa, is that actually, believe it or not, check this out. What is that, Boxy? What is that? I'll let you ponder that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do some UI stuff. What do you guys think of that? Should we make some UI? A colored part? Nah, it's the Mona Lisa, bro. You're supposed to know that by now. Okay, I'm gonna bring Figma up and let's get started on some UI. How does that sound? How does that sound? So this is the style because it's 90s style. I think I'm gonna try and make something kind of like that. So let me see if I can do this. Ah, yeah, there we go. There we go. So I want something like this guy right here, to be the like pop-up for it. So let's try something. Let's do a little gradient fill, shall we? Oh, I'm out of the way. Hold on, hold on. Something like that. What's a good like what's a good color, or sorry, pattern for this thing? Okay. That looks cool, right? I think. Let's do another one. Make sure it's centered. Alright, that looks good. Okay. Put that there. Set the color equal to whatever our bottom color is. Yep. Mm-hmm. Let's get a little corner. Yup. I'm liking this. Let's raise it up a little bit. Okay. Alright. Is that tough? Let's go ahead and convert this to a... How do we do it? Flatten. That's right. Alright, this is a vector now. Is that a stroke? White outside. And then there's like a drop shadow too. So if we add effects, drop shadow. Ooh, yeah. What do you think of that? Little pop-up info. Pretty decent. I think so. Let's see. Let's give it a little variety as well. Let's make a blue one. I want to steal this color. I mean, borrow this color right here. Something like that. Yeah. Okay, we got a couple dialogues. Not dialogues, what am I even talking about? You are not my favorite YouTuber. Thank you. Appreciate it. It's tough, awesome. I feel like, I mean, obviously we're gonna have like, it's gonna say burger. But like, that just feels really boring, you know what I mean? So icons. Oh, we could have a little icon of the burger in the corner. Maybe. Yeah, I have an idea, you guys. I have an idea. I'm gonna toss that in there. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's from Box Icons, or Boxicons, whatever you want to call it. What do we think of doing something like that? And then each food will have its own icon in the corner. Centered icon instead of the text. Oh, actually. And then what if we put the text? Whoops. What do we think of that? I'm not too sure. That's better? And the reason that I originally had the text big is because we're also going to have things like, lettuce. But it's going to have the burger icon because it's showing that the lettuce goes with the burger. You know what I mean? Try changing the font. Yeah, I'm going to change the font in Roblox. This is just a placeholder font. Great. You can't handle how good it looks. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and import this into Roblox. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna turn off the screen because I have to save this to my files. Export red pop-up. Export. One moment, you guys. Okay, everything's exported. I'm just gonna go ahead and import them now. So give me one more second. I probably should organize everything so that I have my what do you call it? Game images in a different place, but I don't. So I just need to keep the screen off for 1 more second. Blue pop up. All right, got it. I'm gonna turn this back on now. Call that main. Let's go ahead and turn off our background. Yo, wait. Oh, I forgot. Whoa, that's way too squashed. How many times do you do live streams a day? They're so good. This is like kind of a new thing for me. I don't usually do live streams. At least not all that often. But I would love to start doing them more often. I think that'd be a lot of fun. You should do them often. I'd be down. The game jam is for another like 2 weeks, I think. So I probably, to be honest with you guys, will be streaming like daily for a little while. So I hope you guys are ready for that. Well, I should correct myself. Daily except for Sundays, because I don't work on Sundays. Ooh. There we go. Actually, I'm gonna undo that. That looks good. Right there. What do you guys think of that? Looks good. Looks good. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look great. It looks awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Can you give me something to try making to test my skills? Sure. What are you? Are you a programmer or a builder or? Boom, boom, boom. All right. It is time to. Where is it? UI. Here we go. You guys, it is time to add a tween because I want to make this look super polished. I'm going to make it do like a little pop-up animation when it starts. This is going to be cool. This is going to be cool. Don't worry. Tween service. Create. We're going to use the hoverui.main. We're going to use tweeninfo.new. 0.15. We're going to use a back, in, out. And the property table. We'll say size is going to be udem2.new. 1010. And this we'll just say is going to be either nil or a tween. Alright. If ui.tween, then ui.tween : pause. Alright. If not, ui. Oh wait, hold on. Let's just go ahead and hit play. : play. Let's see. Hold on, I'm fixing this real fast, and then I will check your guys' chats. Don't even worry. Oh. Okay, that's just, it's so minor, but doesn't that really add a lot? It's such a small little detail, but I feel like that helps a lot. Use counterbot in our server? Don't we have a countbot? It's cookie though. I actually have no idea what that means. Sorry. If it's a Discord thing, oh, if it's a Discord thing, I would run it by Sispert. He is kind of like my go-to about Discord questions. Oh, whoa, that's really weird. You're cooking so hard right now. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. So here's the deal. I can put that in there. But here's the issue, guys. If the burger gets tipped over, that does as well. And that's the issue I'm running into right now. Aha, that's it. There we go. So now it's not rotating relative to the part. Boom. Just make it always land flat. I could, but I think that this will probably work. Let's see. Looks good to me. There we go. Oh! You can still do the flying glitch. Here we go. You should make tutorials. So funny you mentioned that. I actually have a website coming out where I'm going to be teaching people along with others. It's going to be me and some other course creators that are going to be making online courses where you can learn development. So if you want to check it out, you can go to nobledevs.com. I'll just put the link in the chat. If you click that, you can sign up for our email list. The email list is free, and it'll give you a discount code of 20% off for your first month. So if you're interested in that, feel free to sign up for that email list, and it'll also tell you when Noble Devs actually releases. So. I think I'm going to add a little crosshair because I can't really tell where my mouse is at the moment. Oh, what the heck? Bro. Why did my studio just crash? Yo, can you guys still hear me? My internet didn't just crash, right? Okay, okay. Just making sure. One second, guys. I don't know what happened. Did studio go down? Alright, hold up. I'm gonna Open up studio again. Give me 1 second, you guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, I guess it's possible that it went down, but let's see. Studio works for you? Okay. Weird. Yeah, I still can't get in. Imagine I got banned. Alright, we're good. We're back in. Made it. Yo, you're the best YouTuber ever. Thank you. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Really appreciate the support. It's all because of you guys. Yo, what's up, Mr. Punch? Welcome back. Welcome back. Are not going to behave if I go in there. Especially because I'm on stream right now. I'll put the burger on the Mona Lisa for Boxy. Yeah, that looks good. Looks good. Okay, let's see. Maybe 20 studs is the max when you can actually pick something up. I feel like that would make sense as our max. Alright, so we do need to check first, make sure that the distance does not exceed the max. 15 studs, yeah, I might. Player is going to be, let's see, player.character primary part dot position minus target dot position dot magnitude. Okay, if player and player dot character and player. I will say this is the only annoying thing. Whoever was asking earlier about strict mode, that's the only annoying thing, is you have to do all these and checks when you know that this should exist. But I guess maybe you don't know that it exists, so maybe it's fine. Client config. Oh, we don't have config imported yet. Alright, as long as we are less than the config max pickup distance, then we're good. What's the idea for the game? It is a 50s style restaurant tycoon simulator sort of thing. It's kind of like, yeah, kind of like any of those simulators, but it's kind of based on the, not industrial, what am I talking about? The, you know that era in American history where things like McDonald's started to pop up? Those big fast food chains and all that? Yeah, that's too far. You're right. Agreed, Mr. Blue. That is definitely too far. Let's try 8 studs. Yeah, so this is like a restaurant game themed on that 50s fast food time period, so. What do we think of that? Do you think that's good? $12 studs at least. I feel like maybe 10 studs, somewhere in the middle of 12 and 8. Let's try 10. Let's see what that's like. That's good. I feel like it's almost perfect. That seems about right. Oh. Okay, so I did not fix that offset problem. Wait, no, I did. I just forgot to change it. There we go. Try and flip this over real quick. Just make sure it's actually still working. Okay. Of course, the one time I can't flip this over. There we go. Flipped over and still is on top. There we go. Perfect. You're a Blender dev? Oh, that's sick. Yeah. Blender is great. I have done some stuff in Blender, and it's a lot of fun. 9? Okay, let's try 9. We're going to fine-tune this thing till it is perfect. Looks good to me. That is perfect. Sounds great. Love it. All right, you guys, I think that is going to be it for me for now. I have been streaming for almost 3 hours, and I need to take a break. I'm getting kind of tired. But I will be back later in about 4, maybe 3 or 4 hours, something like that. So I know for some people that will be too late. But if you are free later, feel free to tune in to my next stream. I will probably be streaming then. Probably. And if not, just check in throughout the next 2 weeks, because I will be streaming almost every day for the next 2 weeks. So, yeah. Excited to see what this game turns out to be. This will be fun. Alright, you guys. Well, thanks for tuning in. Really appreciate you being here. And I will see you guys later. If not later today, then later in the next couple weeks. Alrighty. See you guys. Bye.